Vincent, Stella, the T, Rowe. Let's get this chant in. Come on. Yeah. T-Row, you ready to go? All right, let's do a chant. Ladies and gentlemen, T-Row Price. All right. T-Row.
People with a paddle and a boat, would you do it? Row, 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 if you're dragging boat the row, and you're helping children grow, would you do it? Row, 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 T-Row, teach the world today what it really means to live, would you do it? Row, 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 if you could help save faces, kids, who are more than really have to gain, would you do it? Charities and all the things they do with all these paddles, with all these paddles, with all these paddles, what we could do. With all these paddles, with all these paddles, with all these paddles, what we could do. Josie Dixon kids, build a strong community. Would you do it? Do all the answers on them and me. Would you do it? Are you ready? It's a very generous thing to give our youth the things they need. We work with Catholic charities and all the things they do with all these paddles, with all these paddles, with all these paddles, what would you do with all